go to then run animation in slow motion. Let's use run command to find animations, show animations. Let's click it and it shows up at the bottom, animations tab. And now let's reload the page. When we reload it, we can see that new card pops up. And here it is, our animation. We can replay it by clicking it, and we can slow it down to 25% when we just click 25%. And look how it animates. Of course, we can use the timeline to just select like a very specific spot in the animation. And let's now assume that I would like to have those two text or two headings goes together, right? So I just move the subtitle and look, now those two headings goes together. When I click replay, this is how it works. Let's just run it with 100%, and here it is. So this feature not only allows us to see the animation, to reverse engineer it as well, because very often we can see the animation with 100% speed, and then it's very difficult to really understand what is going on behind the hood. And with this feature, we can just slow it down and understand like a design behind it, but also not only preview the animation, it allows us also to edit it as well, do the improvements, run some tests as well.